Hi everyone, Jay here, and in this video I'm going to show you one of my best blog posts on how to make money with affiliate marketing in 2022. So what you're going to need to do, if you want to check this out for yourself, click the link below in the video description box or in the upper right hand corner of the video itself, and it'll lead you over to this blog post where you can check this all out for yourself. And if you like the blog post, you want to sign up for my free course, you can do so. I'll leave a link below for this for my free course as well, and it is going to be right here. You can just do what I did on my blog and check it out for yourself. It'll be right there under affiliate and the first link there. You can check it out yourself. So with that being said, this is 7 must-do steps to make money online in 2022 and dominate the competition. So this is all about affiliate marketing. And if you're not familiar with affiliate marketing, it is when you, as an affiliate, you're going to get a customized affiliate link, and you're going to sign up for one of the major affiliate networks like ClickBank, Amazon Associates, CJ.com. There's literally a lot of them out there, but you're going to sign up for one of the major affiliate networks, find a product or a service you want to promote, get your customized affiliate link, and then when somebody clicks on that affiliate link and buys whatever product it is that you are promoting, you are then going to earn a commission. Commissions can be from a few dollars to up to thousands of dollars a click for one sale. It just all depends on what you're promoting, but commissions range. But normally on digital products, you're going to get between, usually the going rate's about 50 to 75% commissions for digital products. And like I said, it will vary a little bit. And on physical products, like through Amazon, you're going to get a lot less, because they're physical in nature. But Amazon's a master of the upsell, so you can make up the lower commissions if you're getting a lot of clicks, because people trust Amazon and they tend to buy a lot of stuff. Me included. I love Amazon. They're in my house all the time. So you as well. You probably like Amazon as well. So it's all going to depend on what you want to promote, physical or digital products, as to how much each individual affiliate product or service is going to promote. What this covers here is my 7 must-do steps to make money online, obviously in 2022. And I go over affiliate marketing, what affiliate market is, how to start an affiliate marketing business. I go over affiliate marketing coaching. That's my step 1. And I tell you some tips on there. I have got an excellent video. Here's how to start affiliate marketing for beginners in 2022. This is a 30-minute video, and you're going to want to watch it. It covers how to set up your affiliate links, what are the best affiliate networks and programs to sign up with, and find lucrative affiliate products and services that you could promote. And I'm covering, you can see this is ClickBank here. I cover Amazon and a bunch of other ones. I'll show you how to do it from A to Z. Very good video here. And it's free. Come on over and check it out and watch it. And it'll show you how to get started. Step 2, I tell you how to start a blog or website, what you need to do. Step 3, find related affiliate products to promote as an affiliate, and that'll cover more of that inside this video. Step 4 is, there's another video about ClickBank right here. How to make money with ClickBank and started for beginners. This video above covers it too. This one covers it a little more in depth. It's just ClickBank on this one. So you're going to want to check that one out too. But my step 4 is creating passive income online to make money online with affiliate marketing. Why you should learn SEO or search engine optimization and create great content for the search engines. I tell you what to do and how to do it. Step number 5, I talk about keyword research, which is finding lucrative, low-hanging keywords with low competition, with preferably a lot of clicks. I show you how to do that, what you need to do to get started with doing your keyword research, my recommended keyword tool, and some tips on how to do keyword research effectively. And I got a review here on my recommended keyword tool. You can check that out. This is the one I use in my business. You can check out that review right here as well. Step number 6 is build that email list, because it is digital gold. I tell you who I use, why you should build your email list, and how to do it. And so I give you some pointers there. And step 7 is my final recommendations and tips when starting and building an affiliate marketing business for the long haul. My final thoughts. And I go over my final thoughts here. And that's it. You can say this is a very in-depth blog post with a lot of video content that I put together specifically for you, so you can come check it out. So I hope you like this video. Come on over to the blog post. Come check out the videos, sit back and watch them and learn a few things. If you're new to affiliate marketing, it'll give you some free tips on how to get started, so you get your feet wet and you'll be able to know which products to look for, which affiliate networks to sign up for, and how to get started, what you should be doing to get started with your new affiliate marketing business in 2022. So with that being said, I'm going to end this video. Links below in the video description box. Click it, check it out, come over and say hi or watch the videos, learn a thing or two, browse around on my blog. You're more than welcome. Make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I hope you get a lot of value from this blog post. Link below. So come check it out. Hit the subscribe button so you're all updated with all my future blog posts and videos. And I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.